One of the most requested hairstyles of 2024 will once again be the return of layered hairstyles. Now, there's really no surprise here because the layers have actually been continuing to grow in popularity over the last couple of years, so there's no surprise that the look would once again be very hot and highly requested in 2024. From the look of 70s inspired layers, the shag, wolf cuts, and of course, butterfly inspired hairstyles, there's really no reason why you can't try out this hot growing trend for yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video, like I said, will feature a variety of different ways that you can rock out this popular layered hairstyle. So if you are looking for a way to shake up your boring strands, you're sick of your tired look from 2023, you've come to the right place. If you do like any of these layered inspired hairstyles, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's deep dive into the world of layered looks and see just why this trend might become your new best friend.